Yeah, this is Paul. I was telling you about that they can set up or they can remove certain courts. Yes. In the United States Constitution, Article 3, judicial powers, 10-year compensation. The judicial powers of the United States shall be vested in one Supreme Court and is such inferior courts as the Congress may from time to time ordain and establish. The judges both of the Supreme and inferior court shall hold their offices during good behavior and shall at stated times receive for their services a compensation which shall not be diminished during their continuance in office. Now you can see that Congress may from time to time ordain and establish new courts. Yes. Now my understanding is that these special claims courts that were established maybe 25, 30 years ago for claims that would arise against certain problems. Vaccinations are one of them. There's only certain jurisdictions that they can hear certain claims. Now, when you go through and you look at how much was actually being awarded from the federal government because of their establishment of a special claims court system where they had, I did think this was funny, Chief Master Supreme Justice. You know how fish love to have the highest high in every place. Well, when you call yourself a Chief Master Special Justice, it's like you are the epitome of justice. Now, my thought was there were going to be those in government that were going to obstruct my right to sue the government for trillions of dollars for not enforcing the laws of the United States. Then they try to make me have to go to special claims court that was established approximately 25 to 30 years ago. So I emailed them about 18 months ago telling them that my civil rights are being violated, my sons are being held kidnapped, and the Constitution of the United States not being enforced. Now I know that they should have got my emails. Now, since Congress can establish from time to time courts, I thought I would rework the whole special court claim system. Now, the problem seemed to be is that when you sue the government, ends up in special claims court, and then they put employees in there that will really not compensate victims for what they really suffered. It was a lot easier just to sue every elected oath of office in Congress and the Congress itself for not supporting and defending their oaths of office. Then sue the special chief master justices of the special court set up to obstruct America's rights to give the actual amount of damages that they are owed, and then reestablish a new court system that I myself have designed. The government's going to pay this time. Trillions!